Hello kids, welcome to UIL Science. I'm Paul Kennedy and today's problem is a momentum problem. A block of mass m1 sliding to the right at velocity v1 strikes a mass m2 which is initially at rest. After the collision, mass m2 is sliding to the right at velocity v2. Which formula below describes the final velocity of mass m1? Now, a couple of things we need to go ahead and say. Mass m2 is at rest, so v2 equals 0. We know that. Mass m1 is moving towards mass m2 at v1. Now, after, this is before and this is after. After, we know that v2 or m2 is moving, so v2 prime is moving to the right. One thing we don't know is whether m1 stopped. We can't assume that, so we're going to say that v1 prime is moving to the right. Now, conservation of momentum says that the momentum in a system before is equal to the momentum after a collision. We can neither create nor lose momentum in a system. We simply convert it. So in this case, the momentum before, if we go m1 v1 plus m2 v2 is equal to m1 v1 prime after plus m2 v2 prime after. Now in this case v2 is 0, so this becomes m1 v1 is equal to m1 v1 prime plus m2 v2 prime. Now we are asked to solve for v1 prime. What's the velocity of the first mass after? So in order to do this, we start moving things around and solving for v1. So v1 prime equals, take m1, this side of the equation, m1 v1, we're going to subtract off the other, minus m2 v2 prime, and then we are going to divide by m1 on both sides. And if we take a look, the answer is C. Thank you.